Hello friends. Today's topic is taken from modern India. The title of today's video is Partition and Communist Party of India. Partition of India took place on 15th August 1947. The British Prime Minister Mr. Clement Attlee on 20 February 1947 declared the intention of British government to transfer power by June 1948. So the declaration of Mr. Clement Attlee on 20 February 1947 and transfer of power by June 1948 had the time period of around 16 months. So this period of 16 months was sufficient period to smoothly transfer the power from British hand to the Indian hand. But in hurry, British government had handed over the power to Congress in August 1947 and left India. So, here the time period between Mr. Clement Attlee's declaration and getting independence on 15th August 1947 was just 6 months. 6 months period was too short to transfer the power to Indian hands or Congress. Because of this very short period of time, Hindu-Muslim riots took place and bloodshed occurred. Now the question is raised, why did the British government hand over power to the Congress on 15th August 1947 instead of June 1948 as declared by Prime Minister Mr. Clement Attlee? The answer of the above question may have a different reason. But I want to share one reason which is grossly ignored by the historians. The answer is related with the Communist Party of India. The Communist Party of India was founded on 1925. The Communist Party's ideology was based on communism. The ideology of communism was just opposite to the ideology of capitalism which was represented by the British government. So, the Communist Party of India was a natural enemy of capitalist British government. Similarly, during this period, CPI was growing very rapidly. The Tebaga movement of 1947 and Telangana movement led by CPI, showing the strength of CPI organization. So the British government feared that if the CPI grew rapidly and accidentally if the power is shifted to the hand of CPI, that would affect the economic interest of British government in India. In last 200 years, British government had made huge investment in coal mining, steel, railways, etc. in India. If CPI come to power, then British interest in India would be in danger. That was the fear of British government regarding Communist Party of India. So, to keep away the CPI to acquire the power, British government had speedily made the arrangement to transfer power to Congress. To conclude, to protect the economic interest of British Empire, the humanity had paid the huge price. Thank you for watching my video.